The foods for strong bones. Many people believe that the primary cause of osteoporosis is the lack of calcium in their diet. However, in the overall picture, calcium is only a small piece of the puzzle. Though calcium supplements can certainly help, there are other dietary concerns that need to be examined. Actually, the primary dietary cause of osteoporosis is the eating foods that are highly acidic in nature, such as refined white sugar, refined white flour, high fructose corn syrup, soft drinks, cookies, candies, sweets, desserts, and anything containing sweeteners. The overconsumption of these products causes the pH level in your blood to become very acidic. In an attempt to counterbalance this, your body reaches out for any calcium and magnesium it can find, and releases those into your bloodstream in an attempt to keep the pH level at a healthy balance. Therefore, with every soft drink, candy, cake and goodie you indulge in, you are robbing your skeleton of its bone density. The calcium and magnesium the body harvests in an attempt to counteract this acidic environment gets passed through your kidneys, where it can also contribute to kidney stones, and exits your body through your urine. To prevent losing your bone mass to dietary causes, simply avoid consuming any white flour, processed sugars, added sugars, soft drinks, sweets, candies, breads, or any other ingredients that are made with refined carbohydrates. In addition, certain superfoods, like broccoli, cabbage, celery and other dark green leafy vegetables help keep the pH balance in a healthy balance. You need to get plenty of calcium and magnesium from healthy sources such as organic, plant-based vitamins. You also need to supplement your diet with various sea vegetables, which are naturally alkaline. Those include seaweed, kelp, and many others. Sprouts are also an awesome superfood choice. Visit healthblog247.com for more information.